and then kwasiafo managers nkoa ene Google office obe pa adwuma say wo ma ye na na ye man adwuma. What kind of nonsense is that? Mpacho, you're the nice and by one man near Yonko.
Your counselor me dancing. But your bear me out to me chain ye. Bear my menino, ewo.
X.
Your champion. In fear nomini. Na no wo school on ye you must see we school. Menena netse. And ya me and say me tonton in sooner drinks our crown. I got cram me ano. Na me dia befi na yen bi.
Go straight to the point. Why don't you just go straight to the point?
Why don't you calm down and wait for me to talk?
What are you talking about?
Hey, Massa, I de hana to say prempe. Ah,
Just go straight to the point.
Counselor, be me nyeduma me dono. De bia no odwen. Nti me hye ne bo say dia metumi bia meye se ne be say school na akona nkoye waste of time and money. Nti dokumene papa bi ehia a oye boss e wo adwuma baako. Ena ne nkomodie me no.
adwuma.
Oye bank manager. Nti ne nkomodie me no, o ma me ti se o mu hia accountant e wo mu adwuma mu. Nti me ne di nkomo na o say memma ne mra me onye ne interview. Ekoba me manete ye na ni je because me catch any say meye bibia ma na ni age. O de na you call ne CV call but anye yi. If you say boss ne catch me say na djuma o person of fan no unqualified. Ti me ne kan e na o catch me say if obefa na I just say on me aye bibi. I just say me scratch na chi no nso etumi aboa me. If you say sa na tie e wo oman yi mu. Me kan anye yi. Na semi ana me hwa me guy o di areho ne adenti. Na e say me pene soma boss no one me ehia. Ehia ye ewie no. HIV ma tested positive to it. And I when who say on to me ne mentina bio. Na wan soma me say memfa me ho enkobo afore ma ni nye adwuma. Enti na me dia beto anim so obebo ame aka bia ma.
It's one mine die and when you're HIV.
Sana results no e bye.
And
You are infected. You are HIV positive.
What did I say?
And you want me to accept that?
and a bear man's wound to me no one to be.
Never. Counselor, never.
It's why a papa on a real bunny. Yeboah.
Counselor, me say si form. Just say me dwe wa me ntia se. Me ya dia ebe me ni je aba na bra.
And nije na won tonyo manensa. Ha? And what to me aton so traffic ma boa kwensin kapra no. Na wo de kopa adwuma ma be me. Ade don ko ana na wodon. Me busa wasem.
Counselor, on tia se me don't know. Odo kind na me wo ma no.
And I say what do you odo echi akonya HIV wo be ende.
Me da so adon no.
Na wunya ayade ro ne nada.
Ne enhiem.
Oni ni nhiem. Na se ne wo kura adwen papa wo tirim. Enka we bo modern a bibi sai no. Ansa na all the report na betu nanim.
Me penance mti na me ntumi nya ne bone.
Wo kwase aba papa. Ah? Na wo betena ho no abudo ama bema. Ah? minimo bi a wadi wodo achi ama wodo akunu ye deda anu no wodo gina nchen no wodo na wo sere no
Counselor Boame.
Me de me am na mkoto HIV ne bro.
Onene nkasa mame, me da so adono.
Papa, asem na wo kan no dwena ho sei.
Counselor, me nyawe. I won't do again. I'm done with her.
Have you forgotten so soon, Fadel?
Counselor, I'm not doing it again. Me nyawe. Me see, yeah.
I was say won ne tena.
Hey.
Then
it's not me.
Say wadwuma ye no kwadi a kira akonya yade. Enye wadwuma ya anka obenya.
Counselor, I did not send her.
Wan soma no.
I didn't ask her to do so.
Telling me.
Adwuma no say subsidy ye wo ye adwuma no.
But I didn't know that's what she did. If I knew that's what she did, I wouldn't have taken the job.
Wo ye adwuma how many months ni?
5 months.
Kwasia.
5 months.
Wo kwasia se pito ase. Wo ye adwuma 5 months ni. Wonyi pay. Wusu couldn't be down. What tell us a kwakuo kon. Would down my couldn't be down to me wo brof no matra. Wouldn't brof akase a me metumi aka. Damn.
Like, Counselor, please, for this matter, I won't talk again. I'm not coming back.
And yes, I won't pena. Adwuma ne ye.
Why will I stop the work?
Na no copy adwuma ne ba.
If the boss did not sack me, I have to continue. I have to continue working. Come on, you think I will stop my work for you? And then I will stop my life for you? Never.
One na copy adwuma ne brewo. Enti se ye chiri ko kwase ye ni ne ma. Wan fa ne bibia ankope adwuma na senka wo nya adwuma.
Acho Counselor. Me nya bi.
Onya de bi.
I don't love her anymore. Okay? I don't love her anymore. She slept with my boss. I can't keep living with her.
Your boss. It was through me that he became your boss.
I don't give a shit. That's what you don't know. I give no shit to it. You're getting my point. You're just a bitch. Hey, what are you thinking? What are you thinking about? That you are helping me? I didn't ask you to do so. I did not ask for such things.
You sit before the counselor and insult me, Fadel.
Fadel, Opo wumpo be wan. Counselor Yeboah, me chichwa mo wa na wosu anya yade ni bi. Na ateka. What?
So, Counselor, is it forced? Is it forced to marry someone I don't like? It's not forced.
Oh, no, try 5 years. Now I won't pay. I try 5 years.
I won't do again.
Any ejaya juma me ye.
One na stop the work.
Eh, yeah, jo ba wunya kodem so awusu.
I can't stop the work.
Why Jan kwase asem no obi anka bi ma. On na kwape adwuma ben se onya ace na se won ware ne dia. Jaya adwuma ne ye. Jai. Why you about to set a net ball?
For the job, I will never stop. I won't stop today. I won't stop tomorrow. Never into my life. You are getting my point. You went for something and you got it. You deserve what you got. What the fuck is wrong with you?
So what the fucker we want to do? Say what we give me. Mama se wo hu wugi mi se wo gina ho ewu nyini nuru baabi a wanya yade enti se ko pe obi obeto ama wo what HIV dey search wo dey na agya nan nenam enti ko pe obi wo bedi kwase a we se yachi wo gina okramo akronfana ne ntome wo ko pe mama oto so concrete e chen wonu cross obi odro mota
We university with the first class. Me to me share so on
wa mo bebre awie obi akọ school akese akọ awie so awie wodi dwa ene school na aba no kwa mfa so obi ani so Ghana ban wo mu wie school na wanya wo mo hwe fa so obi ani so enti wo kọ school ni kọ pimnyame ni kura wo wie a last minute adu bi kete wo kọ school bi oho bi bi so oton mama ni wo body Bafo school be na wan ko bi say so ka yomo Mwa mutu bi ye wakɔ suku akɔ etu ogina sound echi egina camera echi ya me adwuma ne o ma mfrɛ na wonidi oposuku okoye nyina otumo trafie na watwe bosome kra ne onwe adwuma nkɔ die na obedie enne na abeya adwuma obehu be ma mɔbɔ se wahu de okwase ayew wahu de odo ayew se wahu
counselor mane nti asese
say one be man na de ne ho wose wontum ne wontina bi
father I can take the drugs and I'll
no kra na kabiri aba no so na kra che enchi awa no se de oyu motro mo ntina
you do not mention my
aha na wa ba no wodi nkwase asem ya do batum asem we say modie ka ho a maka asem no mako 230 some asem we na maka ewiase nyina court wo de ba ha se bom na meka na anye ya ba bia ni ho areka o de kwa ebeka apart from her
okay, like I have to say my own.
Say
this will not save you. Okay, it will not save this matter. I'm standing on my decision. I'm not doing again.
So you don't have regards for the
Wo way, Era. Say
I'm done with you. What don't you get inside? I'm done.
Pacha wo be wale no. Ene obi
That's not me.
HIV na aba na duro wo ho.
You kidding?
Ghana ha nipa bebre de duro so. Bosome son ya wakwaje na eduro. Enti obi wo bi kura na ohu so obi. Time ya ono ma eduro an ho fe. Enya tetete na eduro ma na no omofon. Ene esi eduro ho HIV na eduro ho.
HIV, she should keep it. She should go for someone who has HIV. Okay? I'll go for someone who does not have HIV.
Oh, anon subenya.
The person can't get. How can?
Anon subenya. Enti bua wo ho.
Nah, I won't do. That's like.
Ma minti wo be ensu. Na me obi antin wa ha. Wo kwase ya na age udwan. Obi antin. Akraba ya kitikiti because wo kwase ya wuto wadwumentu ama na akoto yade. Ama na akwa akoto yade. Wo nya yade aso ntum ne ntre. Na ntum ne ntre me na mefa no. Wo ntum ne ntre me na mefa no.
Done with it.
Ti say akra na wonya adwuma no anim ti say street bar. Wo. E na wonya adwuma ya ho afa etua wo ka na wo be bo no so dwe. Mama fa woni so sorry free asoko na hankini ha mpacho why
no one can be anche
obe wale eno de obe wale se obe yi mu ba ko ida se won wale obeja ya adwuma na akope ma na no akope na adwuma akope na adwuma o ti ntina wo so don mesumi ntumo ntetere ma se wale no until next time bia na wo pa adwuma ama be ma emfa ho na mo nkwaje enen kwasiafo managers nkoa ene gugu office obe pa adwuma say wo ma ya ne na ya ma na adwuma. What kind of nonsense is that? Na ya na minim nipa ya na wo fa wo mdom kwotena office ho no na me dia me kan nyina ne say ministers ni FN say managers for na mo ho na obi pa adwuma agese mo ne na dansa na mama na adwuma nyame betua wo bia aka mako nyame betua wo bia aka me ka say bia na wo yade wonu oba na wo ma na adwuma ade enti ade a wo ye bia hunu so betwa so aba hunu no saa wonya ofiti ya na abenya office adwuma ho ye de etna na obi so ba be pa adwuma agese me ne wa dansa na wabie kwan aye de ama na me na be ye adwuma no eye nkwase asem enti fi na ekosa ade no wa wo ye saade ni bia wo begya ye jai na emoa jai na emoa wo kra ma just I was shalako wo de wo ese shalako